How to unblock an Evac toilet pan. You will need a wet vac, protective mat, protective gloves, pliers, a green flexible hose and a bucket. Do not use a toilet brush to force the blockage. Do not use a screwdriver to force the blockage. Do not use a plunger to pass the blockage. Have a bucket handy. Using a wet vac, retrieve the blockage. Where there is a neighboring vacuum toilet, a 2-in-1 flexible hose can be used to drain a pan which is full. Place each end of the hose into the toilet and continue flushing to pass the water through. Alternatively, you can use pliers to remove the blockage. Place the removed objects carefully into the bucket.